Hello everyone! Welcome to our video. In this video, we are going to show you how to make a straight through cable. And this is the things that we need. We need is a crimping tool, a UTP cable Cat 5, and some RJ45.
So here's your first step. Get the Cat 5, then the crimping tool. This crimping tool has a built-in cutter, so we need to put this one over there, then do some twists so it can be easily to remove, then pull. Here we go.
Our next step is, as you can see, the cables are twisted, so we would want to straighten them out. So you see, we will twist them like this, see in the video. Then you need to straighten them out. And the last one, there, and we'll just straighten them all out. And so you can see, there are different colors, and each color has of their own marks. And as you can see, there's a green that would be the first one at the top. And a striped green, and the solid green color, the striped orange, and then the solid blue color, then the striped blue, orange, blue, then striped blue, then the solid orange, the brown, and the solid brown. There. And we just need to fix their arrangement. Okay. There. You can see that this is the right arrangement for the cables or wires. There. So what we want to do is, the next step is to see, after arranging them in the correct order, we'll use the crimping tool to straighten them all out. See there in the cutter. Be careful for the parts that go all over the place. Then, so you can see the cable. The RJ45. It has a 8 slots, so you can see. Then we'll put there the wires. Then just let the wires pass through. There we go. Then, as you can see, the wires should touch the copper here, as you can see. Then we'll use the crimping tool Then we'll use the crimping tool to attach the copper to the wires inside the UTP cable. And just like this, you must be careful while inserting the cat 45, and like this. Then we'll crimp it. We'll crimp it really hard. And again, there. Now, this is the finished product looks like in the first part. Then we'll do it again on the other end of our UTP cable. Our next step is we'll do the same at the other end of the UTP cable. First, we'll take off the other end of the UTP cable like this, as you can see. Then we'll peel that off. Then you see the other 8 wires, we'll twist them all off again like this. Straighten them out like we did earlier. Then, just like we did earlier again, the chronological order is the green stripe right here, then the green, solid green, the striped orange, the solid blue, then the solid orange, solid blue, then the striped blue, then the orange, solid orange, striped brown, and the solid brown. So let's straighten them all out like we did earlier. Then we'll just cut to have a proper insertion for the RJ45. As you can see, like we did before, we'll do it all again. You insert it like this. Just take them all out. Now that we have properly arranged them, we'll get the RJ45, insert it like before, like that. Then again, we'll use the crimping tool to crimp the wires to the RJ45. There. Then we'll crimp it. That. And here we go, our straight to cable. You see?
So after they demonstrate the straight through cable, I will further discuss the uses of straight through cable. So the straight through cable, it connects a computer to a switch or perhaps normal port. So in a straight through cable, they connect two different devices such as switch to router, switch to workstation or server, and hub to workstation or server. But unfortunately, the straight through cable cannot connect to computer networks simultaneously or together. So that's we conclude our tutorial on how to demonstrate a straight through cable. Thanks for watching.